Welcome on behalf of Bachmann Electronic. My name is Mike Clevers. I'm an application engineer at Bachmann, and this is my colleague Yuri. He will tell you more about Bachmann itself.
Hi, welcome. My name is indeed Yuri. I'm working as key account manager for our customers in the Benelux to serve them the best as I can. But let me introduce you a little bit of Bachmann. So we as Bachmann, we as company are active in 4 areas. So one of the areas is the industry. When our company founded in 1970, that was our first area where we are active. Beside of that, we are quite big in the wind industry, automation, so for pitch control system, but also generator control, of course. The other one, the third branch, is the renewable energy. So we are active in the energy production, energy conversion, also energy storage. We are also active in the marine industry, where you can find Bachmann controllers on inland ships, autonomous sailing inland ships, but also on really robust ships like for dredging applications and of course also for wind turbine installations. We have 4 competence areas. The first competence area is automation. We have a very open software platform, very powerful, and all is built in a very robust housing. And it is nice to know that every module is tested in our factory for 48 hours before it goes on shipment to our customers. The second competence area is the grid modules. So everything that is related to the grid for accurate measurement of frequency, currents, voltage. And it is really appreciated by our customers because we have a very fast control loop that makes it possible to act on behaviors on the grid. The third one is visualization, from very small embedded systems to really large offshore cranes that are controlled with the advanced SCADA solutions. And the last one is condition monitoring, where we have modules that can precisely measure all the vibrations in, for example, a gearbox. And with these precise measurements, we can really look into the machine. So every rotating part has its own frequency, its own amplitude, and we're monitoring this to see and to say something about the condition of the applications. Within the marine industries, we have also 4 focus areas. So the first one is that we're focusing on implementing standards in our product portfolio. And why standards? Because it makes you less dependent, it reduces risk, it is easy to integrate, and because of the powerful tooling, there are no limitations, so no boundaries at your side. The second one is eco-friendly. So the focus in our company is over all branches eco-friendly. It's really in our DNA, but also especially in the marine applications. And typical examples are generator control, but also newer technologies like wind-assisted systems. The third one is autonomous shipping. Very important in this area is cybersecurity. You don't want to bring access to other people or companies to your applications, of course. And example applications are remote control, use of haptics, and of course all the sensor information on the vessel needs to be visible because there is no crew on board. And the last one is smart maintenance. So mostly it's about vibration measurements, but it is also important to get context around the vibration. So in what situation is there a vibration? Typical application in this area are thrusters, hoisting, pumps, more or less everything that rotates on the vessel.